Hi, it's James Johnson at Lexus of Las Vegas, the home of JamesJohnsonSalesCars.com, and I'm parking this 2018 Lexus NX 300 back in our underground showroom, where it's always a perfect temperature, regardless of the outside. Always dry, always perfect temperature. And I'm going to back up and show you our ICS, or the Intelligent Collision Sonor. And when I go into reverse, a couple of things are going to happen. Number one, the mirror is going to adjust to make it a little easier to back up, as you can see there. And I'll go back into drive. And I'm going to come over and we'll take a look at the rear camera on the display screen. So I go into reverse, and there we go. I'm backing up. One more time, let's look at the passenger mirror. Same thing happens. It does adjust when we go into reverse. Just makes it easier to back up. So we're going to back up here, and a couple of things are going to happen. One, we have intuitive parking assist, which means that if I get too close front or back, it's going to alert me. Now the yellow line shows where the steering wheel is turning to. Steering wheel aiming with the yellow lines. The blue lines show exactly where we're at. You'll also see it's starting to let us know on the heads-up screen, as well as in our dash, that we're getting too close. And as I get closer, it'll become more radical. We're at 3, now we're at 2. It's also showing us we're a little close on the side, and we can see that on both sides, right there. I'm going to go back a little bit further, and what I'm going to do now is have you watch, because when I get close enough, the car will actually brake itself. It's going to alert me, it's going to brake itself, and it'll hold the brake for approximately 2 seconds till I can get my foot back on the brake. So I'm backing up, I'm letting it roll, and when we hit to the there you go. It stops itself. You can see the brake lights on, and it holds for approximately 2 seconds. I was too close. I'm going to do that again, and we'll take a look at it on the rear view camera screen. So let's take a look. We're backing up. Listen for the bing. When I get too close, it's going to get crazy, and it's going to stop. It's a little scary. There. That was a little too close for me, but you can see there is a gap. It hit the red line, and the car stopped itself. Now, let's go forward, because we have the same thing happening going forward. If I get too close to the car in front of me, and I have no front mirror or front camera to warn me, all I have is the intuitive parking assist, and it says that we're getting too close, too close, too close, too close. I'm not comfortable doing this. Here we go, here we go, here we go. There we go. It brakes itself. So it works. ICS on the Lexus NX 300 2018. Here's all of our safety features right here. Let's take a look. We have the lane departure alert. We'll talk about that at another time. So if we veer out of our lane, the camera behind the rear view mirror will notice that we're crossing lines and alert us and push us back. Pre-collision system, which we just experienced. Parking assist. It's all here, and this here is the controls, which are all controlled from the steering wheel. This is James Johnson at Lexus of Las Vegas, the home of JamesJohnsonSalesCars.com. We're located at 6600 West Sahara Avenue in Las Vegas. Come and test drive any of our cars and experience the ICS, the lane keep assist, intuitive parking. We've got it all. It works.